Hi, I'm Mark. I have an oven in my car, we're still in lockdown, and I still have little to no experience in baking. Join me as I bake in my car.
Welcome to another episode of Baked in My Car. Today we're on Durrag country at home in lockdown, but we've still got plenty to do. We're going to be testing some new baking mats, and I'll be teaching you how to make chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started. So before we start baking our cookies, we're going to be doing a little bit of arts and crafts. So our friends at Activated Eco have sent me some of these baking mats that are reusable and can be cut to whatever size tray you need. So I'm going to be cutting them to fit my Somerville Metalworks baking tray. So I'm going to measure just slightly smaller than the inside of the tray so you can actually get in and pull it out. And if I'm correct, it should be about 26 by 24 centimeters. So I'll write that down. So 260 by 240. Make sure you measure everything out carefully before you cut it. And if you need a bit of help, don't be afraid to ask. Here's our quality control cat, Monty. We're using a pen to mark everything out because it washes off really easily. Now cut it using a sharp scalpel. Once you're done doing that, admire your handiwork. If you want to find out more, check out Activated Eco on Instagram. Now enough with that, time to make some cookies. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Here's a list you can screenshot for later. Now the first thing you want to do is add half a cup of caster sugar into a mixing bowl. Now add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. After this, you want to add 125 grams of softened butter. Now it's time to beat it. So this is the fun part. Now beat it all together. I'm camping, I would be, so I don't have a mixer, so I'm using this Reusable drill. If you search hard enough through your kitchen cabinets, you'll probably find one of these beater attachments, and then all you gotta do is whack it in your power drill. Next step is to crack in an egg, and then you just want to keep mixing till it's all combined. After that's done, add a teaspoon of baking powder. Then you want to sift in 2 cups of flour. After that, you want to add a tablespoon of milk. I forgot to film the actual bit where the milk goes in. Now stir it till it's all combined. Now mix in the chocolate chips. Now you want to roll the dough into tablespoon-sized balls. You want to put 6 cookies into the preheated tray. Now whack the tray in the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Usually if the recipe suggests 180, I just turn the oven to full and it's always fine. After 20 minutes, they should look something like this. Now I like to let them cool using the wire rack that comes inside the oven. Whilst I've only done 6 here, this recipe will do 12 cookies. And now we're finished. All that's left to do is to admire your handiwork and know that you've once again turned your car into a bakery.
And there you have it. Fresh chocolate chip cookies, all baked in your car. Thank you for watching Baked in My Car. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow us on Instagram @BakedInMyCar.